How are you doing? Mike with BM Street Graphix, Jonestown, Texas. We got Luke with Hill Country Service Restoration. He asked us to do a wrap for him. So over here, we got some decals, got his number. Let me take y'all on a bit of a tour. Over here, we got the back, another decal, looking pretty fresh if you ask me. Over here, we got more decals, got the logo on the window. Thank you, and if y'all need anything, we're located here in Jonestown, Texas, with BM Street Graphix, 1431. Thank you, Veronica, for the decals. They looking great. Y'all need anything? Hit us up. We got you.
Man, did my video just get hijacked? Trying to mimic me. Anyway, this is Mike, BM Street Graphix. We over here at the famous Jonestown, Texas. Lake Travis on the North Shore. I want to give a special shout out to Ariana. How you doing? Playing a great part in the video. So let's talk a little bit about this rap. Luke, the Hill Country Surface Restoration. He wanted us to do a rap. Veronica and him worked on this particular design. It's a patina. So something a little bit about it. We just try to create some cracks, some crevices. So where it looks like it's peeling off from the old to the new. It's a bad truck. I might have to take this one for a spin, Luke. But we also did some decals for him. And we did pretty much, it's a little more than a half a wrap. We didn't do the hood. We didn't do the front quarter panels. But we did the tailgate, got his number on the back. And we also did on this side, the mirror image on the other side. Put his logo in the window, perforated. So you can see out. Not everybody wants that. But anyway, this is where we're at. Jonestown, Texas. Mike, appreciate you guys tuning in. God bless.